Hello, sir.
Sir, how are you, sir?
I am fine. How are you?
Good, sir. How's the new city?
So far, so good.
Chalo, good, sir. A belated happy birthday to Mauni, ma'am.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah, it's
It's
been a
on the
month.
8th of Jan. Yeah.
Yeah. So, how did you celebrate the birthday?
Actually, we didn't celebrate very well on that day. I was busy on calls. I thought of going out
Ha ha
in
ha
the
ha.
evening, but was occupied with calls and it was very late. She was disappointed.
Acha, acha, acha. I can't see your video. Is your video on?
Uh, Let me check. Video. How do I enable video?
You will see a small link. It shows like a video link. Click on that. It will enable
Oh,
automatically.
yeah. Yep.
Yeah, I can see you now.
Okay.
It's always good and motivating to see handsome people around.
Okay. Yeah.
Ravi sir, it's been nearly 6 months we've been in touch with each other,
Hmm.
right? Uh,
Yeah.
what was the best thing you liked about our association?
Well, you delivered to what has been committed. I mean, no hassles, and
Okay,
you're straight to the point. I mean, as you already know, I've invested in some stuff which didn't yield ideal results, but you gave me something which gives me what I promised. So that's the good thing.
excellent. So, what was something which you were not happy about our association?
Hmm. Nothing as of now. I mean, I cannot think of anything that has not been helpful in our association. I mean, yeah.
Okay, sir, what actually made you buy from us for the first time, sir?
Yeah, to be frank with you, it's not from you, but the product that you offered. I bought three items. Okay, only one. The Dhanurati.
Correct. We going to come to the next item very soon.
Mhm. Yeah. So on that, I like the product and I like the way you explained it to me that it is a risk-free process. Doesn't have anything to do with the market and stuff. So,
Right.
and at the same time, I was looking for something that I need to replace with for saving my tax. So this was an ideal choice.
Excellent,
I
sir.
could say that it's my retirement fund or whatever. I mean, it might not be a huge amount, but yeah, I am at least saving something rather than nothing.
Very true. Sir, our relationship, how can we make it stronger, sir?
Mm, isn't it strong enough already?
I'm sure we can make it better. There's always a chance of scope of improvement, isn't it?
Yeah, sure. I mean, I wanted to consult somebody regarding how I could better manage my funds because I'm still paying close to 6,000 on a monthly basis as tax.
Okay,
So I wanted to check if there is something that I could do to save it. Uh, yeah,
sure,
I could send you the tax sheet right
sure,
now.
sure.
I'm sending it to you via Skype. Just go through it. I mean, I thought I'm doing enough savings, but yet, I mean, when I check with somebody else who doesn't have a home loan, who is not saving much, he is also paying close to this amount. And despite me investing so much, I am also paying this amount. So
Okay,
I don't understand.
I will see. I'll work on this, sir. And sir, what do you advise our team to become better in terms of service?
Hmm. Well, I mean, I cannot suggest any options because I haven't worked with people like you in the past, so I cannot tell you what you've done better. All I know is you and your service, and I like them. But yeah, one suggestion would be to grab people early. I mean, when they just started jobs, that is when people have money or at least to save. I mean, now when people get married and have kids, they don't have a lot of choice or freedom to invest in.
Very true.
So the scope is very limited, and if I start investing early, I would have already committed so and so amount. So it wouldn't be tough for me to invest. So somebody who has not invested for 5 years, if you tell him that you will need to invest 10,000 per month, then it would be a challenge.
Right, very true. It'll be
That
something which is not part of his habit.
yeah, and even now with this policy, it's hitting next month. I have to pay 32K. It's
Uh-huh.
not easy. It's tough.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, I mean, I wanted to my funds to be like that to the point so that I save it. Otherwise, if I have surplus amount, I'll keep spending it.
Exactly. That is very true. Can you just give me a minute, sir?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, sir. Sorry.
No problem.
So, what you said is very, very correct. It's savings should be a part of your habit,
Yeah.
and that's how probably we need to get into more people. And I'll surely need your help on that, Ravi sir. Sir, where would you like to see our association 10 years from now?
It's 7 o'clock.
Well, probably in the same lines. I mean, I would want to reach out to you on a regular basis, especially this tax thing. I mean, I'm not sure if you are the right person to guide people on how to manage tax, but yeah, you can definitely tell me that help you save stuff. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Can you still? Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Sure, sir. Any other feedback you'd like to share with us, Ravi sir? Hello.
I'm thinking.
Okay.
At the same time, this network sometimes is
Yeah, network is going off and coming off.
uh,
Yeah, sir. Sorry.
phone.
So, anything else you would suggest we should be improving on? Any feedback?
I cannot think of any right now, but yes, I mean,
मैं ना दोनों इंजेक्शन लगाने में तो रोई नहीं
Sure.
एक ही रोई
Can I just call you back in a minute, sir? Just give me 1 minute. I'll call you back.